ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। कुन्ती उवाच नमस्ये पुरुषं त्वाद्यम् ईश्वरं प्रकृतेः परम् अलक्ष्यं सर्वभूतानाम् अन्तर्बहिरवस्थितम्। Offering prayers to Krishna, Kunti Devi said, Namasye Purusham Tvadyam. I offer my obeisances to you. You are the prime person, Ishwaram Prakritev Param. You are the controller of the material cosmos. Antar Bahihi Avasthitam. You are existing both within and outside and everywhere. Alakshyam Sarva Bhutanam. But yet you are invisible to all. मायाजवनिकाच्छन्नम् अज्ञाधोक्षजमव्ययम् न लक्ष्यसे मूढदृशा नटो नाट्यधरो यथा। Maya Javanika Channam. Javanika is curtain or screen. She is saying you are not seen as you are behind a screen called Maya. You are na lakshya se mudha drisha. You are beyond the range of sense perception. You are invisible to the foolish observer in the same way as nato natya dharo yatha. Like in a stage when an actor portrays himself to be a different person, a common man who watches him can only see what all he does on stage, but he cannot see the real person who is off stage. Similarly, even though I am able to see you before my eyes, I am only seeing your physical body and not the Paramatma that you are. तथा परमहंसानां मुनीनां अमलात्मनां भक्तियोगविधानार्थं कथं पश्येमहि स्त्रियः. You can be seen by Paramahamsanam, the awakened souls, and Sannyasi, Muninam, great philosophers and sages, Amalatmanam, ones who can distinguish between material from spiritual. Bhakti Yoga Vidhanartham. Even though bhakti is little less and not ripened, you still show a little glimpse of yourself to such people to take their bhakti forward, like how you previously showed yourself to the little boy Narada just for a moment to further ripen his bhakti. But in my case, Katham Pashyemahi Striyaha, I being born as a Stri with my responsibilities in this web of samsara, how can I see you? Okay, now even if I can't see you as Paramatma, since I am not like those Paramahamsas, at least I can pay my obeisances to you. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Cha Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Obeisance to you, Sri Krishna, son of Vasudeva, Devaki Nandanaya, son of Devaki, Nanda Gopa Kumaraya, the foster child of the cowherd Nanda, my prayers to that Govinda. Namah Pankajanaabhaya, Namah Pankajamaline, Namah Pankajanetraya, Namaste Pankajanghraye. Namah Pankajanaabhaya. Obeisance to you whose navel is adorned with a lotus. Namah Pankaja Maline. Obeisance to you who wears a garland of lotus flowers. Namah Pankaja Netraya. Obeisance to you whose eyes resembles a lotus. Namaste Pankajanggraye. Obeisance to you whose feet resembles a lotus. यथा हृषीकेश खलेन देवकी कंसेन रुद्धाति चिरं शुचार्पिता विमोचिताहं च सहात्मजा विभो त्वयैव नाथेन मुहुर्विपद्गणात्. O Rishikesha, as your mother Devaki was Ruddha Atichiram, was imprisoned for a long time by that Khalena Kamsena, by that cruel Kamsa, and she was Shucharpita, distressed with that torture. What you did, Vimochita, you released her of her distress as soon as you were born. Aham cha, you did that for me too. Sahatmaja Vibho, along with my children, O great Lord, you repeatedly saved me along with my sons from a series of dangers. विशान् महाग्नेः पुरुषाददर्शनात् असत्सभाया वनवासकृच्छ्रतः मृधे मृधे अनेकमहारथास्रतो द्रौण्यस्रतश्चास्म हरेभिरक्षिताः. Vishat, you saved my son Bhima when he was given poison. Mahagnehe, you saved us from fire when we were put into a house made of lac or lacquer. Purusha Dadarshanath, you saved us from man-eaters in the forest. Asat Sabhaya, the assembly of wicked people where Draupadi was dragged and attempts were made to insult her by undressing her, you only provided her with immeasurable length of cloth and saved her from that disgrace. Vanavasa Kritshataha, you saved us from perils met during forest life. Mridhe Mridhe Aneka Maharathasrato, again and again you saved my sons from missiles of many a great warriors in the battle. Draunyasratas Chasma Harebhirakshitaha, and just now you saved us from the missile discharged by Drauni, Ashwatthama, the son of Dronacharya. This particular shloka offers a deep learning possibilities for many of us who think भगवान अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा क्यों करता है. She never asked why you did put me through so much of suffering. Instead, she is thanking him for being there and giving them strength. Such is the process of pure bhakti. In the next shloka, she says something which none of us would dare to say or even think in those lines. विपदः सन्तु न शश्वत् तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरो भवतो दर्शनं यत् स्यात् अपुनर्भव दर्शनम्. Vipadah santunah shashvat. I wish such calamities would happen again and again, for it is in adversity alone that we are blessed with your sight. Bhavato darshanam yat syat. By having your darshan, only by seeing you, apunah bhava darshanam. By seeing you eliminates the possibility of our seeing another birth. जन्मैश्वर्यश्रुतश्रीभिरेधमानमदः पुमान् नैवार्हत्यभिधातुं वै त्वामकिञ्चन गोचरम्. Janma, Aishwarya, Shruta, Shribhihi. These four factors only serve to swell the pride of a man. Janma, if he is born in a good family. Aishwaryam, if a man is in a powerful position. Shruta, if he has a little knowledge or vidya. Shrihi, if he is wealthy. If a man has any of these four, then Edhamana Madaha, then his pride and ego keep on increasing. Naivar Hatyabhidhatum Vai, then he doesn't have the eligibility to even utter your name. But you don't see any of such factors in your devotees. Birth, fame, vidya, money, nothing matters to you, because you are akinchana gocharaha. You are easily approachable by materially exhausted man. In fact, you are easily attained only by such men. Namo kinchana vittaya nivritta gunavrittaye atma ramaya shantaya kaivalyapataye namaha. Namah akinchana vittaya. You are the only wealth of those who have no possessions. Nivritta gunavrittaye. You are beyond the realm of three gunas. Atma ramaya shantaya. You delight in your own self and are perfectly calm. Kaivalya pataye namaha. You are the Lord of Kaivalya, moksha. I bow to you again and again. Manye tvam kalamīśānam anādinidhanam vibhum samam charantam sarvatra bhūtānam yanmithah kalihi. She says, I believe you to be Kala, the eternal time, Anadi Nidhanam, without beginning or end, moving alike among all creatures. It's only that people fight among themselves, but you are only a Sakshi, a witness, and you do not have any discriminations. न वेद कश्चित् भगवंश्चिकीर्षितं तवेहमानस्य नृणां विडम्बनं न यस्य कश्चित् दयितोऽस्ति कर्हिचिद् द्वेष्यश्च यस्मिन् विषमामतिर्नृणाम्. No one can understand your intentions when you are acting like men, and so that is misleading. You have no specific object of favor, nor do you have any object of envy. People only imagine that you are partial. जन्म कर्म च विश्वात्मन्न जस्या कर्तुरात्मनः तिर्यं ऋषिषु यादस्सु तदत्यन्तविडम्बनम्. So here she says, Vishwatman, you are soul of the universe. You are universe itself. You have no birth and actions. Ajasya akartuhu. But still you are born in this earth and you do many deeds. Janma karma cha. And you are born as Tiryang Nrishishu. Yadasu. Tiryang means animal like Varaha Avatara. Nrishishu, you are born as humans and rishis. Yadhasu, as aquatic beings during Matsyavatara. So though you have no birth and deeds, you do take birth in these forms and did many deeds, and all that is Atyanta Vidambanam, contradiction and a mere sport. गोप्याददे त्वयि कृतागसिदामतावद् याते दशाश्रुकलिलाञ्जनसम्भ्रमाक्षम् वक्त्रं निनीय भवभावनया स्थितस्य सा मां विमोहयति भीरपि यद्बिभेति. Here Kunti Devi describes Damodara Leela. Tvayi Kritagasi. Once you had done a lot of mischief. Gopyadade Dama. Your mother Yashoda, a gopi, brought a dama, a rope to tie you when you had smashed the pot of curds. The way in which you stood, full of fear, with your face cast down, your eyes overflooded with tears, and the kajal in your eyes started melting. That expression with which you looked at Yashoda is so beautiful. That is what has captivates my mind the most. Yate dasha sa mam vimohayati, she says. To think that even he of whom fear itself is afraid appears so stricken with fear, bhirapi yad bibheti. In the next 4 shlokas, Kunti Devi says about many people who give various reasons on why the Lord have taken this Krishna Avatara. केचिदाहुरजं जातं पुण्यश्लोकस्य कीर्तये यदोः प्रियस्यान्ववाये मलयस्येव चन्दनम्. In this shloka, she says, few people says, Ajam Jatam Punya Shlokasya Kirtaye. They say you have been born in this dynasty of Yadu to spread the fame of Punya Shloka, which means pious kings. As an example, she says, there is this Malaya mountain which has sandalwood trees. So the breeze that flows from this mountain has the fragrance and the coolness of sandalwood. And this breeze is called Malaya Marutam. Like how this breeze has given fame to Malaya mountain, you are born to enhance the glory of the pious kings like Yudhishthira. Apare vasudevasya devakyam yachitobhyagat ajastvamasya kshemaya vadhaya cha suradvisham. Others declare that you were born to Devaki and Vasudeva for the protection of this world and as prayed by the couple in their previous birth. भारावतारणायान्ये भुवो नाव इवो दधौ सीदन्त्या भूरि भारेण जातो ह्यात्मभुवार्थितः. Some others say you have born in response to the prayer of Brahma to revive the burden of the earth which was groaning under a heavy load like a vessel sinking in the sea. भवेस्मिन् क्लिश्यमानानाम् अविद्या कामकर्मभिः श्रवणस्मरणार्हाणि करिष्यन्निति केचन. Some others say, for the people suffering in this samsara, because of avidya, kama, karmabhihi, ignorance, desire and selfish acts, for the sake of such people, shravana smaranar hani, Karishyan, you have descended on earth with the intention of performing deeds or leelas fit to be heard and remembered. शृण्वन्ति गायन्ति गृणन्त्यभीक्ष्णशः स्मरन्ति नन्दन्ति तवेहितं जनाः त एव पश्यन्त्यचिरेण तावकं भवप्रवाहो परमं पदाम्बुजम्. That is why your devotees shrinvanti gayanti, listen, sing, grinanti abhikshnashaha. They repeat to continuously, smaranti nandanti. They remember and take pleasure to hear tava ihitam, your stories. It is they alone who can see very soon your lotus feet that do bhavapravaha aparamam, that can put an end to the stream of births and deaths. अप्यद्यनस्त्वं स्वकृते हितप्रभो जिहाससि स्वित्सुहृदोऽनुजीविनः येषां न चान्यद्भवतः पदाम्बुजात् परायणं राजसु योजितां हसाम्. Now she says, you have always granted the wishes of your own people. Do you intend to leave us and go today? We are not only your devotees, we are also your relatives who exclusively depend on you, and we do not have any other refuge other than your lotus feet. केवयं नामरूपाभ्यां यदुभिः सह पाण्डवाः भवतो दर्शनं यर्हि हृषीकाणामिवेशितुः. When you are out of sight, the Yadus, ourselves, the Pandavas are just names and forms. We wouldn't have any glory, just like senses of the body are useless without the soul and consciousness. नेयं शोभिष्यते तत्र यथेदानीं गदाधर त्वत्पदैरङ्किता भाति स्वलक्षणविलक्षितैः. O Gadadhara, our kingdom is now marked by the impressions of your feet, and therefore it appears beautiful. But when you leave, it will no longer be so. इमे जनपदाः स्वृद्धाः सुपक्वौषधिवीरुधः वनाद्रिनद्युदन्वन्तो ह्येधन्ते तव वीक्षितैः. These territories, so highly prosperous and so rich in their ripe crops and vegetation, as well as these hills, rivers and oceans, flourish only under your merciful glances. अथ विश्वेश विश्वात्मन् विश्वमूर्ते स्वकेषु मे स्नेहपाशमिमं छिन्धि दृढं पाण्डुषु वृष्णिषु. Here Kunti Devi is praying to the Lord to cut off the affectionate tie, Sneha Pasha Mimam Chindhi, which binds me with my people, the Pandus and the Rishnis. त्वयि मे नन्य विषया मतिर्मधुपते सकृत रतिमुद्वहता दद्धा गंगेवौघमुदन्वति. She says, I don't want all these attachments. I want to free my mind of all other thoughts. I want my heart to be filled with only your thoughts. I want to constantly think of you like how Ganga incessantly pours its waters into the ocean. Shri Krishna Krishna Sakha Vrishnrishabhavanidhrug Rajanya Vamshadahananapavarga Virya Govinda Godvija Surarti Haravatara Yogeshwarakhila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. She completes the stuti by again prostrating to Krishna by calling him by many beautiful names. Shri Krishna, Krishna Sakha, O friend of Arjuna, Vrishni Rishabha, foremost among Rishnis, Avinidhruk Rajanya Vamshadahana, one who burnt the race of the wicked kings who harmed this earth, Anapavarga Virya, the one with infinite prowess, Govinda, the one who protect the cows, Godvija Sura Artihara Avatara. This avatara of yours, it is intended only to protect the cows. Dvija, Brahmanas, Sura, the gods, you dispel all their troubles. Yogeshwara, supreme among yogis, Akhila Guru, O divine teacher of the universe, Bhagavan Namaste. Obeisance to you, O Bhagavan. Thus ends the Kunti Stuti. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hare Krishna.